All right, so here we'll be looking at this question. So the question that I have here is, what type of alkanol is 2-methyl pentan 2-ol? What type of alkanol is 2-methyl pentan 2-ol? So the first thing I would want to do here is to draw the structure for 2-methyl pentan 2-ol. All right, so pentan 2-ol, this is telling you that the parent compound here is a pentane, and pentane we have what? 5 carbon. All right, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the 5 carbons in what? In pentane. So pentan 2-ol, pentan 2-ol, 2-ol is telling you that the hydroxyl group or the OH group is at what? Is at carbon 2. So I'm going to count from here 1, 2. So the OH group is at what? Is at carbon 2. Then 2-methyl is telling you that you have a methyl group at what? Position 2, at carbon 2. So this is 1, 2. So I have a methyl group here, CH what? CH3. So this is the structure for your 2-methyl pentan 2-ol. This is your 2-methyl pentan 2 what? Ol. This is the structure for it. All right. Again, the 2-methyl is telling you that you have a methyl group at carbon 2, pentan 2-ol. 2-ol is telling you that you have a hydroxyl group at carbon 2. The next thing I will do is to fill the rest bonds with what? With hydrogen. So this is hydrogen, 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 hydrogen. All right. So this is your 2-methyl pentan 2-ol. So what type of alkanol is 2-methyl pentan 2-ol? So this is the carbon atom bearing this hydroxyl group. All right, this is the carbon atom that is carrying this hydroxyl group. So when you look at this carbon atom, you have an alkyl group here attached to it. You have another alkyl group here attached to it. Then you have another alkyl group here attached to it. So when you have 3 alkyl groups attached to the carbon atom bearing the hydroxyl group, that alkanol is referred to as a tertiary alkanol. So this is an example of a tertiary what? Alkanol. This is an example of a tertiary alkanol. So 2-methyl pentan 2-ol is an example of what? A tertiary alkanol. This is an alkyl group. This alkyl group is methyl, CH3. All right, this is a methyl group. Methyl group. This is CH3, is also what? A methyl group. It's an example of an alkyl group. Then this is C3H7. C3H7. If you count the hydrogen atoms here, they are 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the carbon atoms are 1, 2, 3. So this is C3H7. So this is what? This is propyl. All right, this is propyl. It is an example of an alkyl group. So when you have 3 alkyl groups attached to the carbon atom bearing the hydroxyl group, that alkanol is referred to as a tertiary alkanol. Then also, if you look at this carbon atom bearing the hydroxyl group, there is no hydrogen atom that is attached to it. All right, so therefore again, this compound is an example of what? A tertiary alkanol.